Welcome, Ken. I've been waiting for you.
Good morning, Mina. It's lovely to be here.
Please sit down and have some tea. Wow, Mina, it looks incredible. Everything is spotless.
I know, right? Took me all morning.
It was worth it. It's perfect.
Thank you. I'm really proud of it.
This is the dining table. Look at the view from the window and the new sink.
Wow.
Over here is the modern gas stove
Nice.
and the big white fridge. Let's cook together.
Oh, I'm not very good.
Don't worry, it'll be fun.
Ta-da!
Wow. Look at all of that. It's so organized. I could use some help with this.
How about we use that cutting board?
Good idea. I think this is the right one. Perfect. Thank you, Ken. Whew. Look at this. Knife, board, bowl, spoon. Perfection. Wow, you really nailed it, Mina. It looks amazing. Now keep your fingers tucked in like a claw and use a gentle rocking motion.
Like this?
Perfect, Ken.
Thanks, Mina.
Oh, no.
Oh, Ken.
Why does it always get me?
You're doing great.
I can't even see. Wow, Mina, these colors are incredible.
They look so fresh, don't they?
Honestly, this is the most beautiful salad I've ever seen.
You're sweet, Ken. I put extra love into it. So is it a fruit or a vegetable?
Well, Ken, botanically, it's a fruit because it has seeds, but for cooking, it's used as a vegetable. Ha!
You got me.
It's true, though. This flat pan is for searing and quick cooking,
I see.
but this deep pot is for stews and larger batches.
Okay, got it. Thank you, Mina. Whoa, look at that.
Perfect.
Amazing. This is gonna be so good.
You get the stove, I'll tackle these dishes.
Sounds like a plan. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Smells amazing.
I knew you could do it.
Looks delicious, Ken.
Just the way you like it.
Perfect. Wow, look at this. It's perfect.
We make a great team.
It's never looked better. Next time, we are making homemade Italian pasta with these ingredients.
That's a great idea. I'm so excited.
Imagine the delicious sauce. Wow, Ken, this is incredible. I know, right? Our cooking lesson was a huge success.